Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Hey! We're there. Yo, I'm just about to forget my bed. I'm going to say, yo, hold on. Let me refresh my phone. Let me refresh and see nothing. Boom, song drop. So what me do? Me run back in my lab. What me do now? Turn on the what me do now? What me do now? With the head guys, with the Shane just drop a song at this Demarco. Shane drop a song at this Demarco. The song name, Baddest thing uptown. Shane. Bombard. Bruh. Now it's the time now. Let's jump to the one. Let's go. Hello, sir. Sorry to interrupt your video. We're here with another promotional deal. So this deal is running from the 1st of December to the 31st of December. So make sure say wanna link me in my DMs, Jamaica_worst_gamer for your chance to have your channel, to have your music video or audio on this platform. Link me up. Serious artists only. You understand? I feel like Santa Claus, cause it's a December now and a December month. I feel like Santa Claus.
Hey, no mix me with Santa. I be a gun, I be just sponsor.
Alright. Back to the video.
Urban. Me program I want bird na them place. Feed us I watch and I watch. She say Marco and her friend in there shop and a chat. So we make two nigga pull up at the shop and a talk. 25 star river killers a play.
Let me just say this. I'm expecting nothing but lyrics in this. Nothing but lyrics. No gimmicks.
We skis pan the trigger just a ta. Black rose and a tic-tac, but clap and a tap. So waste man Marco and make post and a take post. Keep my take close clip I expose and my next ghost.
Waste man Marco and make toast and a take Marco, the man say, yo, a boost in your tech for call him name, you know. The man say a boost in your tech for call him name. What you do, Marco? Hey, boy, Marco, all this. That's the way the G said, nah. War!
Waste man Marco and make post and I take post. Keep my take close clip I expose and my next ghost. Them no know badness. Get forced, left them yard dry. I end up in a wet clothes.
Yeah, man, what badness. Remember say left your yard dry this morning, you know. Right now you go back in a wet clothes. And then rain wet you up, you know. The only rain wet, a black rain wet you up. You go back in red. Your white shirt turn red. Hey, Marco.
Marco and make post and I take post. Keep my take close clip I expose and my next ghost. Them no know badness. Get forced, left them yard dry. I end up in a wet clothes.
The man say get forced. You don't know nothing about badness. Who forced you, Marco? I'm taking my glasses, Marco. You're not trouble in a Wallace. Marco, who forced you? You're in a trouble, you know? The man say you're in a trouble. All right, let's go. Come, me know Marco got reply to this. Let's go.
Long time you want step, me glad they make a step now. Cause left them yard dry. I end up in a wet clothes. Long time you want step, me glad they make a step now. Cause the C4 I got lift your 10 toes. Spend both, tell them that ghost, them no know badness. Get forced, left them yard dry. I end up in a wet clothes. Long time you want step, me glad they make a step now.
Long time you want step, but you want. Me glad say you make a step now. Marco the man say a long time you want make a step to him, but him glad say you make a step now. Well, I'm not on this, come know why you're not going. Yo, the boss say him glad say you make a step now so you can left your 10 toes. But yo,
the C4 I got lift your 10 toes. Spend both, tell them set the clip. Bend do a double set, road trim them head low. Maxfield cherry. Any if you send a gunman artist to war me. A fish me calling, clip it brawling, spin quick for tarring. Look.
The man say send a gunman artist for war. The man say a gunman artist. The man say member say you sing Puppy Tail and be a them song there. Member say yo, you're normal artist, you're no lyricist. That's what the G said, not me.
10 toes, bend both, tell them set the clip. Bend do a double set, road trim them head low. Maxfield cherry. Any if you send a gunman artist to war me. A fish me calling, clip it brawling, spin quick for tarring. Look as my rifle if it's arming.
Spin quick for tar him. Spin quick for dirt him. Spin quick.
Artist to war me. A fish me calling, clip it brawling, spin quick for tarring. Look as my rifle if it's arming. Me make a girl chick him, send one with tick for charming. Quick.
Make a girl chick him, same one with tick for charming.
Spin quick for tarring. Look as my rifle if it's arming. Me make a girl chick him, send one with tick for charming. Quick this arming, she say one and I'm the dick this man. She want call it. Me make a girl trick him, said one me tick for charming. Quick this timing, she say one and I'm the dick this man. She might call it for talking. Now night me make them keep it off the next.
So, in changing name from Demarco to 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, so you don't say fully back call him 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 already. Oh, what the first they call him 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍? I wonder if Massacre did call him 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 in the song. No, me call him Demarco or something like that. Demarco or something like that. Massacre did call him.
Brawling, spin quick for tarring. Look as my rifle if it's arming. Me make a girl trick him, said one me tick for charming. Quick this timing, she say one and I'm the dick this man. She might call it for talking. Now night me make them keep it off the next police. Me wanted vehicle.
Night, make it keep set up. Night, fish and bread. We make them keep it often. Come and always kill people violently.
Look as my rifle if it's arming. Me make a girl trick him, said one me tick for charming. Quick this timing, she say one and I'm the dick this man. She might call it for talking. Now night me make them keep it off the next police. Me wanted vehicle off it on back evil anti. Ever an eagle touching. Bleeding, scotching, peachy patching, rifle screeching past him. So me bossy made me diva talk it. I know.
Let me tell you some lyrics are chopping up. Be a gun song are chopping up. This is a different type of war from Fully Bad and Marco war. This is like lyrics. But you know how Marco stay. She know Marco go gimmicks you, bro. Marco go gimmicks you out, brother. Make people laugh after you, dog. You know I'm gonna do that, right? Just prepare for that, right? Me see you fall upon the live and say you want no gimmicks for your rep, you shouldn't enter because you know the type of person who you are worried. You see me? Yes. A peer lyrics here, chap. Yes, Marco have lyrics too, but Marco have the gimmicks too. You have to know that. You see me? Punchline win war, bro.
Step on an eagle touching, bleeding, scotching, peachy patching, rifle screeching past him. So me bossy made me diva talk it. I know what this. Auto-tune make you feel like artist. Renee catch a bat in your face when she not piss.
All the poop in I sang. All the poop in I sang. Move. All the poop in I sang.
Touching, bleeding, scotching, peachy patching, rifle screeching past him. So me bossy made me diva talk it. I know what this. Auto-tune make you feel like artist. Renee.
The man say when you say, yeah. The man say auto-tune you use make you feel like artist. The man say you're not artist, brother. You're a big fat tomatist. You never say that, you know. You never say that. You're too lie, no. You're too lie. The man say, yo, you're not artist, brother. The man say auto-tune make you feel. The man say Renee 630 in your face, brother. Catch him at in here.
So me bossy made me diva talk it. I know what this. Auto-tune make you feel like artist. Renee catch a bat in your face when she not piss. Better the rifle go and sing your talent now. If it not reach nowhere. The airport at the forest.
Better the rifle. Okay.
Auto-tune make you feel like artist. Renee catch a bat in your face when she not piss. Better the rifle go and sing your talent now. If it not.
Better the rifle go and sing your talent not have it. The man say not a talent, dog. The man say not a talent.
Renee catch a bat in your face when she not piss. Better the rifle go and sing your talent now. If it not reach nowhere. The airport at the forest.
Airport at the forest. The man say your talent a reach, dog. All this fear in love and war. But that's cap. That is cap, bro. We see what Marco doing in the business. And unless me interpret what you say wrong, if I am, I'm sorry about that, but I'm pretty sure I'm not.
Better the rifle go and sing your talent now. If it not reach nowhere. The airport at the forest. A gunman attack and no selfish. No war small sprat. Big wheel at the target. Shit.
No one small sprat. No one small sprat. Big wheel at the target. So the man say, yo, you're a small sprat. You're no war artist. Big wheel him want war with.
A gunman attack and no selfish. No war small sprat. Big wheel at the target. Shit with your love. What a man need punani.
Man say a back party love. Man say a back door you love. Man say you love reverse the thing. All that. You have that to forget. You say figure that. You say figure this.
Big wheel at the target. Shit with your love. What a man need punani. Them copy flow carbon. Shot dislocate them organ. Kobe relax yourself. Don't try run up to Jordan. Remember
Kobe, relax yourself. Don't try run up to Jordan. Easy, brother. You're gonna do what me doing at this. That's what the jail say.
Them copy flow carbon. Shot dislocate them organ. Kobe relax yourself. Don't try run up to Jordan. Remember the thing them non jam. Tryna report to Adam. Come on, race it not them at peanut check.
They got peanut jet. Race it to the head. Radam. Bombo clat. I thought them one. They got peanut jet. They get a feature in a war. Peanut jet. They get a feature in a war.
Copy flow carbon. Shot dislocate them organ. Kobe relax yourself. Don't try run up to Jordan. Remember the thing them non jam. Tryna report to Adam. Come on, race it not them at peanut check. From the college, me cough clap and never parage splash Pakistan Glock load up like how the chalice pack. Macking us through the window, pussy from it crack. I never the junk or jaw breaks, I eagle on the spot.
I never the junk or jaw breaks. Remember when you look at them say, yo, if you get a bad trim as a youth, them say, yo, I want to your head, drunk or jar breaks. Them say, yo, I never drunk or jar breaks, brother. At the eagle.
Macking us through the window, pussy from it crack. I never the junk or jar breaks, I eagle on this spot. Had the rifle, did that thing, I never Travis cut, no chop it, knock it on the car from it at everybody drop. If you a look pussy, try no set. Sing and never Travis cut, no chop it, knock it on the car from it at everybody drop. If you a look pussy, try no set up no party shop. The cat chatting and the cat brawling. Why? Pick up shot and a ball. Boy, at it and a ratchet capture the rinse out everything before you matic jog a man.
Lyrics are chopping on that.
Drop. If you a look pussy, try no set up no party shop. The cat chatting.
If you look pussy trying to set up the party.
Then the cat brawling. Why? Pick up shot and a ball. Boy, at it and a ratchet capture the rinse out everything before you matic jog a man. Overground every 6 o'clock, no shop that I feel like. Can't see the general, swag the boss puffy, then got this shot. One Jim Brown that a T. She mark out and a gunman a gun back.
One Jim Brown that a jack.
The general, swag the boss puffy, then got this shot. One Jim Brown that a T. She mark.
One Jim Brown that a T.
Go and a gunman a gun back that a teeth. Some a consent for the body, only thing come back a teeth. For
some consent for the body, only thing come back at teeth. The man say, yo, you're a gun bag, you're not a gunman.
she mark go and a gunman a gun back that a teeth. Some a consent for the body, only thing come back a teeth. For that shit up can't believe say I'm son that a sleep body in the jump and a sleep. When sponge
Body night jump on, brother. Not even a shallow grave get. Body not jump on. Father shit up and says.
come back a teeth. For that shit up can't believe say I'm son that a sleep body in the jump and a sleep. When sponge Baba speak, a wee of the key make fish turn back a sea. Mind game I play them better, know them number 3. Show back the rifle across my shoulder, feel for down by that weed. I know what.
Mind game I play, dog. Mind game I play. The man saying show back the rifle cross him shoulder, feel for nobody do it.
Know them number 3. Show back the rifle across my shoulder, feel for down by that weed. I know what this.
A joke him a make. I see hear the laugh.
Number 3. Show back the rifle across my shoulder, feel for down by that weed. I know what this. Auto-tune make you feel like artist. Renee catch your bat in your face when she not piss. Better the rifle go and sing your talent now. It not reach nowhere. Airport at the forest. A gunman attack and no selfish, no war small spot. Big wheel at the target. Shit pit your love, what a man need punani. Yeah, hear me? Them say me fuck up and me stay away. Shoot the kid him cause a next month him birthday away. Knock it a town anyway them they a stay a shake. Girl the boss a pussy yeah, them shoulda never stray a shot small sprat. Tell big wheel run up. Which man have a metal pussy juice from stomach?
Rich man have vomit or pussy juice from stomach. We hear that line there somewhere, not the exact line, but the same meaning in a fully bad where fully bad say him a go shoot Demarco. Him a go shoot out the jaws out of Demarco. Something like that. Something like that. We hear that somewhere.
Small sprat. Tell big wheel run up. Which man have a metal pussy juice from stomach? I want to some boy, even an alien. I want to them 3 musketeers. I want to ring piece.
3 musketeers. Alright, so we might talk. So him just say even an alien, so you know say Coyote a alien. This is the part what me like, you know, when I'm talking I like the part now.
Even an alien, I want to them 3 musketeers. I want to ring piece.
Ring piece. Ring piece. Ring piece. Ring piece. Ring piece. Where do you name with this in my day? When me figure to him name, hold on, me go look on the reaction name. Where do you to this name my day, guys? Where do you name? Capital. Alright, capital youth name.
Well, even an alien, I want to them 3 musketeers. I want to ring piece. I want the force rifle. Shot to shot ghost right. Pussy a sell.
Shot to shot ghostwriter. Pussy a sellout. Oh.
I want the force rifle. Shot to shot ghost right. Pussy a sellout. Suck on the mother. Common sense. Backbush, old Marvel, Maxi, Mobile, old Bumbuckler, Jamaica, England, New York, Dopey them boy.
Man say capital, man say a sellout. Man say I shot him shot ghostwriter, you a sellout. So I never adjust it in the song though. Where you go to the outro, bro? Where you go to the outro, go adjust him. But I guess he want him this after Marco still. This is the starting of the war between him and Marco. Cause me know say Marco I got answer Shane. Marco because Marco been shooting after Shane. Marco been calling him name. Marco do a song for him. So we know say for Craig go on. Shane this full of lyrics as expected. Like I'm saying on the front of the reaction, front of the video, there is no gimmicks. There won't be no gimmicks. And there was a few bars, there was a few lines, but there wasn't nothing. You see me? Lyricist. Marco, you're up against a lyricist right now. You're up against a lyricist, a proper, well-known lyricist in the business right now. Let me see how you answer that one here. Let me see how you answer that one here. You see, you want to test your lyrical skills? Now it's time to test it. Now is the time to test it, Marco. All right? Now is the time to test it. Anyway, guys, let me know what you guys think about this song. Shayna is out in the war, officially out in the war now. And let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst game, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.